Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about what doctors don't tell you about ED. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. Let's start with the question, why would you want to treat erectile dysfunction without using standard medication offered by your doctor? Well, here are two main reasons. The first is side effects, and the second is ED meds are not a long-term solution. So let me break the side effects list down into two sections. There's severe side effects, and there's common side effects. So let's start with severe side effects. And they are blurred vision or vision loss, an erection that lasts longer than 4 hours, symptoms of a heart attack such as chest pain that spreads to your jaw or shoulder, sweating or nausea, irregular heartbeat, shortness of breath. And common side effects: headache, diarrhea, upset stomach, dizziness, heartburn, runny or stuffy nose, and nosebleeds. Now let's look at ED meds as not a long-term solution. Erectile dysfunction is an end product of cardiovascular damage, and more specifically, damage to the lining of the blood vessels. This damage produces lessened blood flow, and blood flow is how erections work. If erectile dysfunction medications work for you, it only works on localized symptom relief. But the problem is, if you do not deal with the underlying cause of the ED, then that underlying cause just gets progressively worse. And because of that, the ED meds eventually stop working. Taking erectile dysfunction medication is fine as long as you deal with the repair of the lining of the blood vessels. This repair process is the long-term and lasting solution. And the best way to initiate this repair is with nitric oxide therapy. You are way ahead of the game if, like me, you use pro-arginine to deliver nitric oxide therapy. Click the link below this video to see my ED repair page to see how nitric oxide works to reverse ED symptoms. And if you have any questions about that video or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.